Hi there, it's Marcy Hutton here. I spoke with you earlier today in regards to shooting this custom video for you. And in this video, I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. Now you're most likely asking yourself, why would I do this and what's in it for me? What I found is when it comes to internet marketing, most business owners are too busy running their business to learn how it can actually work to their benefit. And sometimes the only hesitation they have to hiring someone is they don't know who's an expert and who isn't. Therefore, I have found by giving people an easy blueprint of actual things they can do to impact their business for free has resulted in some of those business owners still raising their hands and saying, I like you, please do this for me. So if by the end of the video you liked what you have heard and you can see that I have a few tricks up my sleeve that I can help your business with, we can chat. Or if at the end of this video you simply want to take the free tips I gave you and do it yourself, that works too. So the 3 things I will show you are content, citations, and backlinks. What I am referring to when I say content is what I highlight. The images. Now you can see all this down here, just numbers and letters. That's what Google reads. Google doesn't see, so they don't see your picture, but they read everything. They read all the words, they read the pictures. So that's a missed opportunity that picture could be called home renovation, kitchen renovation. So that's what you want to do with your pictures. Make sure your pictures are named, and Google likes to see 1,000 to 1,500 words of content that will help them to match when people search for your services. Then they know what you do and they can match you with potential customers. So you have an opportunity here to add 1,500, 1,000 words of content to your homepage, and it will help to move you up the search engine. Now, citation, I talk about second. Citations are, let's go back to the first page. Citation is a place on the internet where you would find your exact business name, address, and phone number listed. This is a citation here. 411, Yellow Pages, Yelp, any place on the internet where you have a place to cite your business, put your business name, address, and phone number, is a citation. And the more citations that you have, Google can see that you're a legit business, and also it will help to make you be higher in the search, hopefully come up into one of these 3. So you get your business listed in more directories than all of your competitors, and eventually you will come up. Now, third thing that I'm going to talk about are backlinks. What a backlink is it is when another website on the internet will link back to your website. How that helps you is Google can see all of these other websites pay attention to you. They think you're popular. They move you up in the search results. As you can see, there are no metrics. This is your site that I've put in here, and there is no data. Now, I took one of the sites that was appearing on the first page of the search, and I put them in the same tool so you can see. They have 253 other websites on the internet that link back to them. They're being found for about 1,500 words. This is where the content is very important. And therefore, they're getting just under 100 people clicking to see their website a month. This is what happens when you show up on the first page of the search. So those are the 3 things that I wanted to share with you that you can do yourself and help. This is, see if I can find for you. This site, White Spark, Citation Finder. So you come in, you would make your own search for home renovation. You can search for your own company, find out how many citations you have now. But if you do a search for, say, home renovation Vancouver, it's going to show, this one here is for roofers, but you do the same thing for renovation. And then it will show you all of your competitors' citations, where they have their business cited. And then you can go ahead and get your business cited in all of these various directories as well. And as I said, find more. And then eventually will help to make you appear higher in the search ranking. So I'm going to email this off to you, and I'll follow up to make sure that you did get the video and you had a chance to see it. And I'm happy to answer any questions. Thank you.